Explore the world of aerospace innovation with the top 10 unique and unusual Boeing testbed aircraft, from modified passenger jets to advanced reconnaissance platforms. Join us on a journey to uncover the peculiar features and extraordinary capabilities of these Boeing marvels. Discover how these aircraft have transformed for diverse purposes, pushing the limits of engineering and design in the skies. Welcome to a realm where imagination meets flight. Number 1. Boeing 767 AST, Airborne Surveillance Testbed. The Boeing 767 AST, which stands for Airborne Surveillance Testbed, was the first 767 ever built and was converted to conduct missile tracking tests for the Air Force. This unique aircraft features a pod that stores all the sensitive optical equipment used to track missile launches for the United States missile program. The Airborne Surveillance Testbed is specifically designed to collect infrared data of various ballistic missile targets and has been used to test a wide variety of missile ranges, including the Kwajalein Line Missile Range (KMR) and the Pacific Range Missile Facility. Despite its unusual appearance, this aircraft housed some of the most expensive and technologically advanced missile tracking technology in the world at the time. Unfortunately, when the AST program ended in 2002, the aircraft was scrapped, marking the end of Boeing 767 AST service. Number 2. Boeing 720-23B Testbed. This Boeing 720-23B testbed was originally the Model 707 type airplane built by Boeing. The aircraft initially flew for American Airlines before being acquired by Middle East Airlines. Due to political tensions in Lebanon in 1982, the aircraft was stored at Paris-Orly Airport and occasionally flew passengers for Air France. Pratt & Whitney Canada later purchased the aircraft in 1986 and heavily modified it to conduct various engine tests, aiming to improve the quality of their products. This distinctive modification involved fitting the aircraft with a turboprop engine on the forward side of the fuselage, creating a visually striking and technically unique combination. Number 3. Boeing NKC-135 Big Crow. The Boeing NKC-135 testbed aircraft, also known as Big Crow, was heavily modified for electronic warfare testing and has also been used for testing infrared tracking systems. Big Crow has undergone numerous modifications throughout its service life. It has been pictured with large black elements on its fuselage and nose, most likely used to test the YAL-1 airborne laser. The aircraft was further modified with a signboard target on its fuselage, and this test successfully validated the system's ability to track airborne targets. After a long and distinguished service with the U.S. Air Force, the Big Crow aircraft have since been retired. Number 4. Boeing 757 Honeywell Testbed. Honeywell operates a unique Boeing 757 specifically designed as a testbed for various jet engines. This one-of-a-kind aircraft features an extra engine mount that can be configured to test different engines and wing designs developed by various companies. Honeywell frequently uses the 757 to test turboprop and gas turbine engines, and it can also be adapted to accommodate standard flat wing designs for airfoil testing. The versatility of this testbed, with its ability to handle various engine configurations, allows for efficient use of resources and saves valuable time during engine development processes. Number 5. Boeing 377 Stratocruiser. The Boeing 377 Stratocruiser, which first flew in 1947, was a long-range airliner that was highly advanced for its time. The original Stratocruiser was developed from a C-97 Stratofreighter and incorporated several innovative features for passenger transport aircraft in the 1940s. The Stratocruiser was also exceptionally large for its era, boasting 4 engines and a passenger capacity of up to 84. However, due to limitations with the airframe and its Pratt & Whitney radial propeller engines, only 55 Stratocruisers were ever built. The adaptation from a military transport vehicle to a civilian passenger jet proved to be more challenging than anticipated, resulting in high operational and maintenance costs. Despite these shortcomings, Pan Am still placed an order for 20 Stratocruisers, acknowledging that it was superior to any competing aircraft at the time. Number 6. Boeing RC-135E Rivet Amber. The Boeing RC-135E Rivet Amber was a sophisticated reconnaissance aircraft built by Boeing and modified by various companies. It served in intelligence-gathering missions for both the United States Air Force and the Royal Air Force. Nicknamed Rivet Amber, was equipped with a massive phased array radar system, the heaviest ever installed on any RC-135 variant. This cutting-edge radar system, costing a staggering $35 million at the time, made the Rivet Amber the most expensive Air Force aircraft in operation. Despite its limited service life from 1966 to 1969, the Rivet Amber was one of the most advanced reconnaissance aircraft of its era. The advanced radar was capable of tracking objects as small as a football from 300 miles away and was specifically designed to monitor Soviet ballistic missiles during the re-entry phase, playing a crucial role in Cold War intelligence gathering. Number 7. Boeing YC14. The Boeing YC14 was developed by the United States Air Force as a potential replacement for the C-130 Hercules tactical transport aircraft. This unique twin-jet aircraft boasts a distinct design with two large jet engines mounted on either side of the fuselage, positioned close to the airplane's body for maximum power. This configuration allowed the YC-14 to take off and land on shorter runways, making it a more versatile transport option. Additionally, the aircraft possessed an impressive payload capacity of up to 109,000 pounds, capable of transporting even the M60 Patton main battle tank in service at the time. Remarkably, the YC-14 demonstrated exceptional versatility, achieving speeds as low as 59 knots and reaching Mach 0.78, which were impressive figures for an aircraft of its size. Number 8. Boeing 707 Falcon. The Boeing 707 Falcon, widely regarded as one of the strangest aircraft ever built, features a strange balloon-shaped front nose that raises curiosity about its purpose. This unconventional design conceals an array of electronic surveillance equipment, early warning systems, and communication technology. The Chilean Air Force specifically acquired the Boeing 707 to function as an airborne early warning and target tracking system. The sophisticated electronic surveillance equipment was mounted on the 707 by an Israeli company specializing in solid-state radar technology. Interestingly, the Israeli Air Force currently operates a Boeing 707-385C, which differs visually by its distinct black nose cone. The reason behind this specific design choice remains unclear, but it is speculated to be related to heat absorption or optimized radar performance. Regardless of the reasoning, the 707-385C represents a more advanced version, with more refined equipment and overall better technological capabilities. Number 9. Boeing 757 Catfish. The Boeing 757 Catfish holds the distinction of being the first 757 ever built. Its most distinctive feature is the peculiar canard configuration, with a wing-shaped mini-wing positioned above the cockpit. This unique design served a specific purpose: to simulate the sensor layout of the F-22 and F-35 fighter jets. Additionally, the nose of the Catfish bears a striking resemblance to the F-22 nose, further emphasizing the design inspiration. The 757-200 variant also features a full F-22 cockpit replica. This heavily modified aircraft served as a testbed for Lockheed Martin's F-22 Raptor's avionics and sensor integration, allowing for cost-effective flight testing and development processes. The body of the Catfish also housed a 32-seat laboratory equipped with computers, communication systems, electronic warfare systems, and various other sensors. The nose of the aircraft was further equipped with a small F-22 airfoil containing additional sensors specifically designed to monitor airflow over the combat aircraft's wing, ultimately aiming to optimize its performance. Number 10. Lockheed Martin Catbird. Lockheed Martin Catbird is an anagram of Cooperative Avionics Testbed. This heavily modified airframe features a fighter jet-style nose designed to replicate the F-35, complete with a small sensory wing positioned just below the door. Additionally, it boasts all the essential features of a fighter jet, including a fully equipped cockpit, communication systems, and radar technology. The primary purpose of the Catbird was to provide Lockheed Martin with an avionics suite that facilitated economical flight testing for the F-35 fighter jet. Developed and built by BAE Systems in 2006, the Catbird played a crucial role in aerodynamic testing of the F-35 and gathering valuable data for its development. Its distinctive shape and unique function undoubtedly make it a remarkable aircraft in aviation history. From airborne laboratories to flying weapon simulators, these 10 Boeing oddities showcase the company's daring spirit and innovative approach to aircraft design. While some, like the AST, have completed their missions, others continue to serve as crucial testbeds, shaping the future of air travel and military technology. These unique creations serve as a testament to Boeing's enduring legacy of pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the skies. Join us again for more insights into the fascinating world of aerospace innovation. Keep soaring, and until next time, fly high. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more great content.